Okay, as promised, I'm going to do a quick walk around of this room that I've just lined, painted and just got finished this morning. So I'll do some close-ups now of these walls where we've papered right up into the top, down the sides of the architrave. This is using the Tessa tape system. I mean, these lines, you ain't getting any more perfect than this with what we have here. I mean, that line's incredible. And I'm going to do, not that you'll be able to really notice, if I do a close-up of these walls, you won't know whether I'm standing still or if I'm moving. But I can assure you, after lining these, putting that bit of filler in there, sanding the joints back out a little bit, these joints are not visible at all. You would not know there was a paper on here. So if you follow those instructions in the short videos, shortish videos of the lining paper, and just bringing the paper into the corners as opposed to coming around them, unless it's on something like this chimney breast where the paper has to come around, then just take the paper into the corners, stop it there and start again afresh. That wall there was the only wall that was freshly plastered, and I brought the paper right round to this edge here. After one coat of paint, you can just sand it back and just ease that edge in, and you would not even know that that hadn't been papered around there. So this is the room, all finished now. I've used the Tessa tape up here as well, just because this ceiling to wall line wasn't really sitting too true. It's up and down, in and out, it's everything you can imagine. But with that Tessa tape, it just straightens everything up perfectly, all the way around. And like I said, there's no seams visible whatsoever in this wallpaper. We've had the radiator painted as well, and even underneath the windowsill there, where no one's going to see, we like to get that perfect as well. So that's that one room, lining papered, painted, finished. If you take on this project to do it yourselves, I hope these videos help. Give me some feedback if you can, and thank you very much for watching. Goodbye until next time.